I'm Will Jacobson. I'm the founder and president of Industrial Automation Co. We're located in Raleigh, North Carolina. We serve both manufacturers and OEMs by selling industrial electronics, specifically PLCs, VFDs, HMIs, and motors. So we differentiate ourselves from our competitors by having some of the best lead times in the industry. If we don't have an item in stock, we usually can source it within a week or two. We also fully test and refurbish everything we sell, and everything that comes with a 2-year warranty. And we try to provide the best customer service we can by responding to our customers with pricing availability within 10 to 15 minutes.
So we sell a wide variety of products at IAC. I like to say that the products we support go from the wall, where the power is, all the way to the end of the motor shaft. And that can be literally thousands of different products made by dozens of different manufacturers. And we support products over a period of about 25 years. It's common in this industry for a company just to ship the product, but we like to look at the customer and anticipate their needs and understand why they needed that product. If we know that a customer might need additional services, we'll reach out to them ahead of time to ensure that the product they get is everything they need in order to get their machine up and running again. At Industrial Automation Co., we don't just strive to deliver the product. We try to deliver a full solution that ensures that our customers' machines are going to be up and running as quickly as possible.
What differentiates us compared to other companies is here we have a symbiotic relationship between the three departments with sales, engineering, and operations. And we definitely pride ourselves with our lead times in comparison to other organizations, because at the end of the day, what motivates us is to get our customers' operations back up and running as soon as possible.